What's up guys? So in this video I'll be showing you the essential oils that I'll be taking with me on my trip to Hawaii, and I leave in 2 days. Honestly, I'm super excited, but as an oil bulario, the biggest question is always what essential oils am I going to bring, because I have maybe like over 80 oils and I'd love to bring all 80, but we have to be smart when we pack because my luggage can't just be essential oils. Yeah, it can't. It absolutely can't. So when it comes to choosing your essential oils that you want to take with you when you travel, I think it's just super important to first figure out what exactly do you think you'll need the oils for. If you're going to a tropical country, are you going to need oils to help keep you warm, to help fight humidity, maybe to help manage your health or your wellness when the weather changes, because usually when the weather changes you get like stuffy noses and stuff like that. Maybe you're going to a cold country and maybe you need oils to help keep you warm, etc. So yeah, figure out your needs first, which will be heavily dependent on the type of country you're going to. In my case, I'll be traveling to Hawaii and it's more or less the same climate as here in the Philippines, so I don't really need to worry so much. I can more or less guess the type of oils that I'll need since it's basically the same oils I need here in the Philippines every single day. Okay, so I decided to bring 4 sets of essential oils. The first set revolves around oils that I need for everyday maintenance. So these are the oils that I use every single day. Oils to help me with a stuffy nose, because I usually get that, especially when it's very humid or it's very dusty. Oils to help with any tummy discomforts, just in case I get an upset stomach from any of the food I eat there. At least I'll have an oil for that. An oil to help calm me down just in case I get my nerves. And an oil to help with easy breathing in case I struggle to breathe with my mask or something like that. So the oils for maintenance that I decided to bring are lemon, lavender, peppermint, frankincense, thieves, Copaiba, raven, and Digize for my stomach. So I'll be bringing individual bottles of all these oils, just small 5 ml bottles, like about this size, but I'll also be combining them in a roller bottle so that when I'm on the plane or I'm out and about, I don't have to bring like 7 essential oils. I can just bring this roller bottle blend, which basically has everything in it. So this LLPFTCR stands for lemon, lavender, peppermint, frankincense, thieves, Copaiba, Rosemary, and raven. This is my go-to roller bottle. I use this every single day to help prevent me from feeling stuffy and to help me when I actually do feel stuffy. So yeah, I cannot not bring this. It is a must. And the other oil that I'll have with me is Digize. You just take a drop, put it in your finger, and then just rub it on top of your stomach before a meal or after a meal, just to help kind of aid your stomach as it literally digests. There go, Digize. Now the other roller bottle I'll be bringing with me actually as part of my maintenance set of oils is my Raindrop Roller. There's this massage that I do called the raindrop technique. Someone can do it on you. It's much better. I mean, it feels so much better when someone else does it on you, but you can also do it on yourself. So I carry around this roller bottle with me, and I like to give myself that massage when I feel like I'm about to come down with something. And I kid you not, more often than not, it just immediately helps align everything inside of me, and I just feel so much better. Like, I don't end up waking up feeling bad the next day. I end up getting like the best sleep ever and then just wake up feeling refreshed. So Raindrop Roller bottle is a must. Now the second set of oils I'm bringing are my first aid kit oils. So these are oils that help when I have minor scratches or bruises or anything like that. The oils I'm going to bring are Helichrysum, literally means liquid stitches, so that is interesting in itself. You can do your research on that. I'm also going to be bringing lavender for that, Copaiba, and then I have my oils that I'll be taking with me for pre-workout and post-workout stuff, because I don't only plan to work out in the gym. I also plan to swim, to snorkel, to go hiking, and just do a lot of outdoor activities, so I will need these oils for my muscles. I'm bringing Copaiba, Panaway, and Deep Relief. Yeah, so just those 3, and I'll be using that on my body. Now, the third set of essential oils I'm bringing are oils that I need to use if the room is very, very dusty or very, very stuffy, because that'll just aggravate my nose and my throat and everything. So these oils are oregano and rosemary. They're wonderful additions to the first set of oils, the maintenance oils, the lemon, lavender, peppermint, frankincense, thieves, copaiba. Yeah, if you want to combine all of that in the diffuser because the room is super stuffy and you're getting irritated, add a drop of rosemary and oregano. If not oregano, you can use thyme also, and just keep the diffuser on, and it'll kind of just help make the room feel more refreshed and kind of clear up everything there. Now, the last set of essential oils that I'm bringing are oils for my emotions. You guys know that if there's anything I'm really passionate about, it's emotional wellness, and so it's so important to me that I bring oils to help me handle any big emotions I come across, just in case I get triggered by something and like an emotional trauma resurfaces or something like that. So I'll be bringing my feelings kit, which is a whole protocol of like 6 essential oils in a specific way of like using it and journaling, etc, etc. I have to bring that. That's actually going to be on my hand carry just in case I have any kind of emotional moments on the plane or something like that. So yeah, I'll take that with me. Other oils that I'll be bringing with me to help protect my energy, I'll be bringing my white Angelica. I'll be bringing orange essential oil to help me feel good because that is my happy oil. And then I'll also be bringing my manifesting roller bottle because who knows what kind of luck I'll need while I'm there, or I don't know. But in case you guys don't know what my manifesting roller bottle is, I talk a lot about it on my page. It's made with abundance essential oil, believe essential oil, highest potential, and also sometimes every now and then I use magnifying purpose in there. I kid you not, every time I use this specific blend, I literally just rub it on my wrists, center of my forehead here, my third eye, here behind my ears, on my chest, and on my solar plexus, and I just get opportunities here and there. I don't know what it is about it, but legend has it that the blend of essential oils in the abundance Young Living blend were the herbs and spices that kings and royalties used to use to kind of like invite prosperity. So far it's been working really well for me. So yeah, that's about it. Those are the oils that I'm bringing with me for traveling. Again, these are the oils that work for me. Might not be the oils that work for you, but I guess you can use the oils I'm using as a great guide for you, especially if you're new to essential oils, but you kind of want to bring them with you when you travel. And just to end, I just wanted to show you guys where I'll be keeping these essential oils. So I have this cool case, but these ones here, the ones in the bottles, these will all remain here, but these ones in the roller bottles, like so, I'll be putting this in my purse and keeping these with me on the plane. And that's my feelings kit in the back with some clothes. Sorry. But yeah, it just goes like this, and then I'm gonna put this in my check-in bag. Don't put this on your hand carry because you might get flagged for it. And just as a pro traveling tip, as an oiler, make sure that your essential oils are sealed well. Make sure the caps are tight so that nothing spills out, because sometimes that can happen too. I have to do this because my sister's back. But so yeah, that's about it. I hope this helps. I'll probably put a guide on the essential oils I'm bringing in the captions below. Yeah, that's about it. Bye.